This is Martin from Nokia Mob. So I'm holding here the older sister of Nokia 1. Actually, this is Nokia 1 Plus. So it has the 5.45 inch display with 18:9 ratio. It got the 8 megapixel back camera and the 5 megapixel fixed focus front facing camera. The battery inside this device is 2500 milliamps, which will be enough probably to hold it, to keep it running for the whole day. And it got the MediaTek processor inside. Of course, it's running the Android Go version. But I must say that I really love it. I love this device, how it feels in my hand, and the texture of the covers are nice. So, and of course they can come off. They are easily swappable, like the Express On covers. You see these are the covers in blue, in black. Actually, they are going to protect the camera, and there is a nice and finished, like nice texture. I don't know if you can notice it, but under fingers you can. Oh, you see there? It looks quite nice. This one doesn't have the pulsating power button or the dedicated Google Assistant, but it's working quite nicely. Let's check the camera. Camera on this one should be okay. These are the wonderful people from HMD here giving us hand. There is no Pro mode, of course, because this is Nokia 1 Plus. The display of 5.45 inches is quite nice addition to this series of devices. So there is the standard USB port, and above you have the headphone jack. I really love it in red. I think you're gonna love it also in blue. Let's check the blue model. Check this out. Screen is a bit fingerprint magnet, but I think this is looking well. Nothing on the left and just 3 buttons on the right. So it's like fabulous design. It's really nice. I love it. The speaker there. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I like the device. I really do. Nokia 1 Plus.